how to change default board labels in monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change default board labels in monday.com. So what is default board labels? So first you can go to your monday.com and go to your boards. So this is my board, this one, task. And as you can see in the status, there is, if you click it, there is working on it, stock, and then this is the labels for your board. So we're gonna change it. So you can go to your profile picture here in the top right corner, and then go to administration. And in this page, as you can see on the left, is a lot of option, lot of tab, profile, accounts, or schedules, customization, and others. So we're gonna go to customizations and then go to board. And this is the set boards default. So you can sort and rename the board labels. But you have to understand the change will apply to new columns only. So it will not modify your existing labels. So as you can see, let's say I want to change done by completed like this, completed. And for the maybe for the red, maybe failed like this, and also you can add other labels for other colors. It's up to you. And I'm gonna scroll down and just click save change, and then it's done. If you go back and go to your board, and if you add new status or new column, and it's gonna be changed. So you can see you cannot modify the existing, but if you create a new column, it will be like that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.